How accurate are baseballs, ZiPS, and steamer player projections? Imagine trying to predict how a player will perform next season. Will they hit more home runs or strike out more often? That's where projection systems like ZiPS and steamer come into play. They help us estimate future performance based on past data. But how reliable are these predictions? That's what we're here to find out. ZiPS, which stands for Zimborski Projection System, uses a mix of recent player stats from the last 3 or 4 seasons. It also considers aging curves that show how players typically improve or decline over time. ZiPS looks at things like a player's velocity, injury history, and even play-by-play data to make its forecasts. For pitchers, it uses defense-independent pitching statistics, which focus on outcomes like batting average on balls in play and strikeout rates, independent of team defense. Because of this, ZiPS can sometimes differ from simple past stats, especially if a player switches teams or roles. It updates regularly, and many analysts trust it for season-long predictions. Steamer takes a simpler route. It relies on weighted averages of past performance, adjusted toward league averages. It regresses each statistic based on historical data, which helps smooth out anomalies. While it doesn't include as many nuanced factors as ZiPS, Steamer is known for its consistent accuracy. It updates often and is freely available, making it popular among fantasy players and team evaluators alike. When comparing the two, studies show both systems perform well. Sometimes Steamer outperforms ZiPS, especially with players who are not changing teams or roles. ZiPS tends to be better at factoring in defense and aging, which can improve predictions for players undergoing changes. Both systems generally beat simple averages or relying on draft position alone. Player comparison and evaluation, these tools give us a solid baseline. They help forecast future performance based on what players have done in the past. They are especially useful for fantasy baseball, scouting, and team decision-making. But remember, no system is perfect. Injuries, unexpected slumps, or improvements can still surprise us. Overall, ZiPS and Steamer are among the most accurate and trusted methods for predicting how players will perform in the seasons ahead.